Hi, I'm Peter. There's a lot of great software for home automation out there. Solutions for controlling a smart home with voice commands are available too. I think they'll be the most popular way for controlling a home in the future, since one's voice and speaking in general is a quite natural way of communication. But do you know what would be awesome? A simple way to connect your home automation software to these smart speakers. I'd like to introduce gBridge IO, a solution for exactly this problem. On the one side, it connects to the APIs of the manufacturers of the smart speakers. And you don't need to care about the background stuff or project setup or API verification and interface development. All you need to work with is gBridge's MQTT broker. In case you didn't know, MQTT is an open messaging protocol that is compatible with possibly any home control software. And that's almost it. You say a voice command, gBridge does the magic and sends these messages to the MQTT interface. Your smart home software can finally process these messages. It is quite simple to use, isn't it? And the best? gBridge is a unified solution that works out of the box without any hassle. gBridge IO is already a live service with almost 2,000 users. Nevertheless, there's a Kickstarter campaign. Project growth means that more time and more resources need to be invested, and therefore funding is required. This Kickstarter campaign is for one particular project, implementing support for Amazon's Alexa. I really appreciate everyone who supports this project, and I'm looking forward to the successful funding and a bright future for gBridge.